Homelessness is a big problem in our city and state of Oklahoma. Tulsa's homeless population is up by 40% according to recent statistics. And from here on out, I'm pretty sure it's only bound to increase. The homeless problem is increasing in our city, but I have read that in Colorado, they have come up with a program or coalition to help their homeless problem, in which we should take inspiration from it and apply it to our own city of Tulsa. The next couple of minutes, I will be talking about different methods that have worked with other states, such as Colorado, and solutions people have come up with in our own state as well, Oklahoma. Really, Oklahoma should really plan for for affordable housing because in Tulsa, one of the biggest reasons why homeless people are homeless is housing is very expensive, and it's one of the main reasons for our homelessness problem. For example, Kathy Alderman, Chief Communications and Public Policy Officer for the Colorado Coalition, she states that we must prioritize housing that breaks down the historical barriers to housing for low income households, prioritize mixed income developments, and deeply targets affordable housing resources to those households most in need in order to meaningfully address the housing crisis and resolve homelessness. And thanks to this coalition, they managed to create 139 studio apartments within just 6 months. It, it's incredible. We as a community for the city of Tulsa should honestly strive for these kind of same goals to provide these people that live under bridges to provide them with homes. Not only that, the Colorado Coalition they also provide a robust array of different support services. They offer different type of support services such as counseling, case manage, case management, benefits acquisition, life skills training, and not only that, employment services. The Colorado Coalition stated that homelessness is one of the greatest challenges a person can encounter in life, and having access to staff who are able to connect individuals with resources for temporary shelter, permanent housing, public assistance programs, and other services can help make this journey easier. Tulsa should really try to come up with the same type of coalition to help people with even small support services, such as we mentioned earlier, employment services. Another big problem in our city as well is medical help. A lot of homeless people struggle in our city because of the treatment that they generally can't pay for. Medical treatment is one of the most expensive things that you could try to afford in this life. In Oklahoma City, though, there is a medical service program named Healing Hands Health Service Center. In this community, an employee stated that it is imperative that we continue to provide medical services to this vulnerable population. Thanks to these medical services, we can help thousands of people in our own state, Oklahoma, and hopefully, somewhat in the future, we could provide more of this healthcare out towards Tulsa, where we live. As we mentioned earlier, though, the Colorado Coalition homelessness for the homelessness has one of the biggest homelessness providers in our country. John Parvinsky, who is the CEO of this amazing coalition, he stated that I hope to develop new partnerships that allow us to expand the resources needed to build sufficient, affordable, and supportive housing to meet the needs in our community. John Parvinsky is an incredible person. He still plans to help the homeless in the future and be able to provide even more housing for those in need. In conclusion, we should honestly, in city of Tulsa, we should try to make a coalition just as good as Colorado's to help homeless people in our city just as they have. Trying different solutions will not only lead to helping people who desperately really need it, but will also help improve public life in the city of Tulsa.